Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome by New Market Outlook. Let's see what this week brings. And for me, what I'm paying attention to on a daily is that we are still bearish, swing bearish, and we took out a point of liquidity. But for me, I'm not looking directly for shorts. And that's because we have still the supply open. We can maybe see a reaction out of that. We saw a reaction out of the liquidity high. But for me as well, I'm paying attention to the fundamentals, and we can see here that Euro has the most bullish news, and as well Euro USD and AUDUSD are aligning with the fundamentals to be bullish. So I don't want to jump straight into shorts. As well, we are seeing here a little bit really big push towards the upside, and on a 1 hour, for me, what I'm paying attention to is that we are actually reacting out of this liquidity point or imbalance gap, however you want to call it, and we took out the Asian low. So for me, if I want to look for further shorts, I'd like to see this Asian high been taken and a strong reaction forming out of that before jumping into shorts or with a wider stop loss. But I don't like being for weeks or months in a trade. So let's see if there are any developments upcoming these days. GBP/USD, on the other hand, is a bit consolidated right now. We also took out liquidity here. Yeah, let's see if we can change structure on a 4 hour and then look for further shorts. Otherwise, it will push up higher, and I'm not gonna search for a long in this kind of price action. Just letting it play out, and let's see. AUDUSD, like we just spoke about, is bullish as well. We are as well swing bullish, and yeah, I'm looking for pushing up higher for longs to break structure again towards the upside. So that's also aligning with Euro USD being well, not swing bullish on a daily, but with bullish price action. And what I would like to see is this low been taken, so the liquidity will be taken, and then look for longs. So we're not there yet. Let's see, or maybe if we can tap into this demand, but there's no liquidity in this push up. So for me, it's too dangerous to start buying from this point and put your stop loss here because this is the liquidity low. Then USD GPY, yeah, not much to say. It's still rangy. It's gonna push up higher until there's another intervention, and the cycle continues. USD Swiss, also looking for upwards movement. We tapped into this daily demand. Right now, I'm not in a position yet because we dropped really hard, and I don't like jumping straight in after the first stop, and as well descending lows. So for me, there has to be some liquidity to be taken out before looking for any longs. And yeah, we're taking out liquidity right here under the Asia low, but for me that's not good enough. So let's see. It's not the most beautiful setup for me. AUDUSD is the cleanest now, and Euro USD as well. Let's move on to USD CAD. USD CAD. This is what I'm waiting for actually right now. Like I wanna enter a long, but for me, we're still bearish on the 4 hour, and until we break structure right here, then those longs will be valid. So right now, if it taps in here, I'm not gonna go buy USD CAD. So still bearish, and SAD USD, we almost are back at the swing high, the strong swing high. If we break the strong swing high, we will change structure again. So it's kind of daily ranging is how I'm viewing this kind of price action. But for now, yeah, not really looking into shorting this. Only if you break below this, and then we can look for further shorts, and then this swing high will still be strong. And on the other hand, I'm looking for shorts on GBP AUD and Euro AUD. Also GBP AUD is and Euro AUD, both of them are aligning with the fundamentals, so keep an eye on that, and I'll keep you updated next week again. Thank you for watching.